Hi, this is Vladimir with you today. If you are starting the e-commerce website, you're probably confused with all available platforms out there. What is better, ready-made solution or a platform that has unlimited customization possibilities? In this video, we'll try to answer the question on the example of these two toys. Sounds interesting? Let's get started. Let's start with the basics. You can play with the car right away. You don't have to do anything. Isn't it great? But with a Tinker toy, you need to spend some time to build in your car. The same goes with the Shopify and Magento. With the Shopify, your car starts a new e-commerce website yourself. You don't need to spend a lot of time on customizations and custom coding. Everything is available out of the box. It's one of the best advantages and the main downside of this platform. But why its downside? Because Shopify is distributed as SaaS platform. You depend on provider to release new features, add integrations, payment systems, and so on. You have a limited number of templates to customize your website design. It's easy, but one day you'll face the need for something little more customized. The Shopify won't be able to satisfy your needs at all. Let's look at Magento. Magento is open source, and in simple words, it means that you can change its source code however you want. Compared to Shopify, Magento offers unlimited customization capabilities. You can create highly customized e-commerce website with any design and features and any integrations. There is no limit to what you can do with Magento, and that's what makes it a winner in this round. With a car toy, you can play only so long you get bored. If you want to get another car, you will need to buy another toy. It will be a separate car, different from the current one. With Lego, you can easily create another car using the provided elements in the box. And all you need to do is assemble it and start playing with it right away. With the growth of your e-commerce business, you might want to expand to new countries and add new storefronts in the different language with different price rules and currencies. That's where problems will start if you choose Shopify. The platform doesn't allow you to create multiple stores under a single installation. And what does it mean? You'll need to purchase a separate license for each of your stores. Each store will have its own product catalog and admin panel. And if we're talking about big stores with a huge product catalogs, you might face a challenge keeping all information synced between all the stores. Magento, on the other hand, is like a Tinker toy. You can add unlimited number of stores under a single installation. You have a single product catalog and single admin panel to control all your stores. Magento offers a vast functionality for multi-store support. You can build stores with different price rules, domain names, categories and different currencies. You don't need to switch between a few admin panels, manually synchronize inventory or pay for your few licenses. You can do it with a single Magento installation. If you choose a car, you won't be able to change the wheels on which it operates. With Lego, you don't have such limits. You can easily change the tires according to your needs if they promise to provide higher speed. The same comes with the e-commerce platforms. Hosting plays a huge role when it comes to your website speed. It directly influences how your website will perform under high loads. Shopify as SaaS platform provides you with their own hosting for each plan. You don't have any control over the server and depend on the company for their maintenance. If your store undergoes an outage, you will need to wait the Shopify and to address them the problem. Adobe Commerce Cloud provides you with the Amazon AWS hosting, which is considered to be one of the best on the market. Magento open source and Adobe Commerce don't provide you with the hosting. You need to pay for it additionally, but you have the full freedom to choose the best one suited for your specific business needs. With the car toy, you have limited opportunities. To have some new features, you will need to wait for the manufacturer to produce a new, enhanced model. You can change Lego however you want. You don't have to wait for the manufacturer to catch up on the innovations. You can use the latest solution by yourself. Let's compare our e-commerce platforms when it comes to innovations. As I mentioned before, Shopify is SaaS platform. This means that you fully depend on the company to adopt innovations. You have ready-to-use additional plugins in the Shopify App Store that have limited customization capabilities. But if you want to create something unique, you will have to wait for Shopify to add the needed functionality to its platform if it decides to adopt it at all. The open source nature of Magento doesn't have such limitations. You can easily develop any needed features. For example, if you want to adopt PWA, Magento has PWA Studio with a set of tools for progressive web development on its platform. You can also choose from a wide range of PWA storefronts, install and configure them in a matter of days. If you want to keep with the latest innovations, you can always opt for a custom development and add the needed functionality without any waiting for Adobe introduce them. When a part of your car falls off, you're left alone to deal with the problem. With the Tinkertoy, you can check the forum and find the solution for your problem. That's how easy it is. The sooner you fix any issues with your online store, the faster you can get back to making sales. That's why when choosing an e-commerce platform, you need to keep this factor in mind. Shopify offers a number of support services and you can reach their teams through different channels. But you will need their specialists to address your inquiry, find a solution for your problem, and only then you'll be able to fix it. Magento, being a community-based platform, has a lot of user guides that can take you through the whole process of e-commerce website development. If you can't find the answer, there is a Magento community with thousands of developers and answer already there. You can ask any questions about Magento and get answer right away. In the end, it's up to you to decide which e-commerce platforms to choose for your website, but choose it with growth, scalability and flexibility in your mind. Subscribe to our channel and tag the rainbow, and I'll see you soon.